Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock screen orientation in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app. And here it opens up in the context menu. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options. And then in this list we tap on appearance. And at the bottom we find lock screen orientation. If we tap on this button, it's going to lock the screen orientation. So if we tilt our phone to the left or to the right, it's not going to turn. This setting is only referring to the app. So your phone settings aren't going to change. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.